Are you torn between Cachy OS and Pop OS? You are not alone. Today, we will compare these two popular Linux distributions to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Cachy OS and Pop OS are designed for users who want a smooth and efficient experience. They focus on providing a user friendly interface and solid performance. Now, let's dive into what makes each of them unique. Cachy OS is a relatively new player in the Linux world. It is based on Arch Linux, which means it's rolling release. This allows users to get the latest updates without needing to reinstall the system. CashOS aims to provide a clean and simple interface while being lightweight. It's great for those who want speed and efficiency. On the other hand, Pop OS is developed by System 76. It is based on Ubuntu, making it stable and reliable. Pop OS also features a unique tiling window manager which helps users manage their workspace better. It's designed with developers and gamers in mind, offering excellent support for graphics drivers. Now, let's look at the key differences. KakiOS is more about customization and speed, while Pop OS focuses on a polished experience and user support. If you love tweaking your system, CashOS might be your choice. If you prefer a ready to go setup, Pop OS could be better. When it comes to features, Kaki OS offers a minimalistic approach, while Pop OS provide tools like automatic window tiling and great hardware compatibility. Both have their strength depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, both distributions are free to use. You can download and install them without any cost. So, who should choose what? If you want a customizable and lightweight system, go for CashOS. If you prefer a stable and user friendly environment, Pop OS is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.